Let me show you how to make the most incredibly juicy cola glazed chicken that delivers sweet, sticky perfection with minimal effort. This method creates tender, flavor-packed chicken that will become an instant family favorite. Start by carefully deboning chicken thighs. This allows the marinade to penetrate deeply and ensures even cooking. Season with salt, shredded ginger, pepper, and cooking wine. These simple ingredients work together to both flavor and tenderize the meat. Sear the kitchen skin side down in a hot pan until golden brown. The initial crispness provides wonderful texture contrast. Flip and cook until the other side develops equal color and richness. Not the magic ingredient. Pour in a generous amount of color. The carbonation and sweetness work wonders in creating a glossy glaze while keeping the meat incredibly moist. Add a splash of soy sauce for depth and complexity. Cover and simmer for 8 minutes, allowing the chicken to absorb all those incredible flavors. Remove the lid, increase the heat, and watch as the sauce reduces into a thick caramelized coating that clings to every curve. Let it rest before slicing. This ensures the juices redistribute perfectly. Serve over steamed rice, garnish with toasted sesame seeds, and drizzle with that incredible reduced glaze. That fast bite gives you everything. The slight crispness from the sea, the tender juicy meat underneath, and that sweet savory glaze that makes this dish utterly addictive.